Bonjour. Ça va? Bonjour. Ça va bien? American?
ارمس $100
$100. And this?
جذابك $6
Rocket launcher.
ها تو والله
Yeah?
والهلا
I can say it?
والهلا
Yeah? Chinese, yeah? Chinese. Yeah.
Chat.
Cat? What is cat?
Cat. Something to eat when the food finished or afternoon. Most of the people, they are chewing.
This for our medicine?
Yeah, it's for Malaysia, yeah. Sure.
They're looking for how to get only the khat. At the moment, if they wake up, they look for how to get the khat. They haven't any meaning or they don't want anything. If they get the khat, they are happy. They will sleep and they will eat. But if they didn't get, they will kill what they will take the property of the people. Even they kill it. There was 2 weeks. The other khat didn't come in Mogadishu. And it's in Kenya country. Stop it. There was a problem by the terrorist group. There was lovely days, but all the people was there was in the market. They eat the meat, the food, the restaurant, the bars was full of people. They are eating food because there's no khat to eat.
Chalo.